Here I've got Stanley S241 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and select Backup and Reset, and here you can simply activate Backup My Data feature by tapping on this switcher. And now it's activated, but it's time to set your backup account. In that case you have to click on Backup Account and then click on Add Account. Just make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise it will not be possible to log in with your Gmail, and now simply log in with your email address or phone number connected with your Google account. So in my case it will be email address. And then click on Next. And now you have to enter your password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, click on Next one more time. Wait a couple of seconds, and here you have to come along with all Google Terms of Service, privacy policy, so simply click on the links and you will be able to come along with all the documents, and if you agree with all the terms and conditions, click on I agree. And that's it. As you can see, backup your device's apps, app data settings and Wi-Fi passwords using Google account is activated. So let's go back, and here you can see your backup account included in your Stanley S241. So that would be all. This is how you can easily and quickly add Google account, backup account to your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.